Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. We have a situation where we want to create a toolbar for a rich text editor, but we need to handle buttons overflowing the editor's width by hiding them under a more button. This can be a tricky problem to solve, but fear not, we have a solution at hand. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. The key here is to control the visibility of the buttons using the CSS property visibility, instead of rendering them conditionally. By setting the visibility of the buttons based on whether they should be visible or hidden, we can ensure that they are always present in the DOM for measurement purposes. Moving on with the solution, we need to adjust the rendering of the buttons by setting the visibility property dynamically. By updating the style of the buttons to be either visible or hidden based on their visibility status, we can control their display without removing them from the DOM. This allows us to always have the buttons present for measurement regardless of their visibility. Continuing with the implementation, we also need to apply the same visibility control to the More button in the toolbar. By adjusting its CSS properties to ensure it stays visible, but not pushed off the screen, we can maintain a consistent layout while handling overflow buttons effectively. Remember, it's all about managing visibility without removing elements from the DOM. Wrapping up our solution, we've made adjustments to the resize logic and removed any unnecessary hacks around visibility. By dynamically determining button visibility based on measurements and updating the DOM accordingly, we ensure a smoother and more reliable toolbar experience. Remember, it's all about controlling visibility while keeping elements in the DOM for accurate measurement. And there you have it. We've successfully addressed the problem of handling overflow buttons in a toolbar by controlling visibility dynamically. I hope this solution helps you create a more user-friendly and responsive toolbar for your rich text editor. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any witty remarks you may have. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!